So I'm gonna make some cranberry jalapeno cream cheese dip, and yes, it might sound a little bit odd, but trust me on this, it is delicious. So in my colander, I have 12 ounces of fresh cranberries. I have already rinsed them, and I'm gonna pour them here into the bowl of my food processor. Where is the lid? Here it is, right in front of my face. And I am just going to pulse this up until they are coarsely chopped. So they look like that, all coarsely chopped. I have a one bunch of green onions, and I am going to cut off the green parts, and I'm just going to kind of cut them into thirds here, so a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna add this to the food processor. I told you, it's gonna sound weird, but trust me, trust me. I got some fresh cilantro. I want about a quarter cup, about that much. So I'm gonna add this in. I've got one jalapeno that I have taken the seeds out and the membranes, because that's where the heat's at. I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, about a half a teaspoon of ground cumin, the juice of a half of a lemon. You can also use a lime if you want to. A little bit of salt, like a 1/4 teaspoon. And now we're gonna pulse it up till it's all combined and finely chopped. And it should look like that. Woo, beautiful. Now I'm gonna put it here in a container, and I'm gonna cover this up, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for like 4 hours. That way all those flavors start to meld together, and it's gonna be so good. And then we are going to make a cream cheese base for it and layer this on top. But I'll come back and show you after this has sat for 4 hours in my fridge. To be continued. So I let this sit overnight in my refrigerator. It needs to sit for at least 4 hours or overnight. And now I've got 2 packs, 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. And I am just going to put them here in my casserole pan. I've got just a regular square pie dish will work, or anything like that. And I am just going to spread this softened cream cheese around this casserole dish. And now I'm gonna take this cranberry mixture that I made yesterday, and first I'm gonna just stir it up. And now I am just going to dump that over the top of the softened cream cheese. And then I'm just going to spread this out. It's got a beautiful color, which is perfect for Christmas and Thanksgiving, just the holidays in general. And now that I have spread that evenly, it is ready to serve. You can go back in the refrigerator for like an hour, but this is best served after you put the cranberry mixture on top of the cream cheese. And I've got some pita crackers. I like to serve it with crackers, and there it is. Yeah, y'all have got to make this.